So, one of the most powerful meditations for me is a meta loving kindness meditation. And this is one where you imagine yourself being happy, yourself being peaceful, yourself feeling the feelings of relief from suffering. And then you start to imagine that emanating out from you and connecting with others, the people around you in your house, in your neighborhood, in your city, in your whole state, the whole country. Eventually it gets to the entire world where you're just envisioning everyone around you being peaceful and being free from suffering and being happy and being loved. And in essence, it sort of triggers you to feel all those same things in this way that's very sort of externally focused and less egocentric. And so this is kind of a prototype in that direction, whereas can we engage with the user as they're saying these types of mantras, even though it's not exactly a mantra, to create some compelling visual experience that goes with it. So let's take a quick look. And so we're standing on a platform somewhere between the sun and the earth. And if I say something like, may I and all beings in this universe be happy. Oh, this sort of beam of energy shoots out. May I and all beings in this universe be peaceful. May I and all beings in this universe be free from suffering. Oh. So, yeah, the beginning of something really interesting. Let's see where this goes.